So I'm here at the McDonald's on MacArthur. They're remodeling it. This is right next to the Burger King. And I'm looking for bed sheets and pillow, maybe bed covers, stuff like that. So, any places, they have like a place that sells specifically like mattresses and mattress covers. It's called like Eurotex or something. And I checked that place. There's one spot along the way. They didn't have bed sheets or pillows or anything like that. They just had mattresses, mattress covers. This right here is like a home improvement store, Wilcon Depot. So this is that's the next stop to check for the sheets. I think it's going to be a little bit expensive here than the jumbo genre, which is more towards more up the road over there by the KFC. But yeah, it's probably going to be a little bit more expensive here at the Wilcon. Across the street is Didi's Pizza. To be honest with you, I didn't really like the pizza there, but they might have other stuff. Now, going into the Wilcon to check if they have sheets. So, wish me luck. So, not sure if they're gonna have bed sheets in here. This is more like a home improvement store. So yeah, this is nice and air conditioned in here. So I'm gonna ask someone if they have the bed sheets. They do have bed sheets for my single bed right over here. These are $2.99. And that's pretty much all they had as far as that fit my bed. And I do need a pillow as well. So she's actually checking the price of these pillows over here. So I checked the price of the pillow. It was like 3 something pesos. So about $6 something. The only thing, the pillow was like a little bit thick. So I'm not sure if that would give me like neck issues. I normally use like a thin pillow. So which is not a bad price for a pillow. I think the JJ Mart sells the pillows for like 500 pesos or something like that. So those weren't bad prices, but I have one more place to check, which is the jumbo genre, which is like a cheap Filipino store that has like different stuff. So I'm gonna check that out. So this was a 2-minute walk from the Wilcon Depot. Across the street, that's the jumbo genre. That's the cheap Filipino store where they have like miscellaneous stuff. So I'm gonna go check there for the sheets. Also, they have a Chooks to Go and they have a Ine Sal across the street. So decent little strip over here. At the Jumbo Genera, I know you guys were talking about the corned beef. So this is the corned beef, Pure Foods corned beef with chunks. This is a little bit bigger can, $187. Hot and spicy with the smaller can, 83 peso. This one for 124. I'm not sure if that's a good price, but the cans, like this is like a very small can. This would be maybe good for like one meal. 83 pesos. That's okay, I guess. So Pure Foods was a little bit expensive. They do have the Argentina, so I think it's a cheaper brand for 38 pesos. They only come in the small cans compared to 83 pesos of the Pure Foods, which is a big difference. You have the Argentina meatloaf. I think this is chicken. Like chicken spam, 21 pesos. You have the bigger can for 32 pesos. So if you just want to fry that up real quick, not sure. Again, I'm not sure if that's a good price compared to other stuff, closer places to Walking Street, like the JJ Mart or the Johnny Mart. So we're just speculating here. Now they have lots and lots of sardines, actually, many brands of canned fish. I'm not going to go through all of them. But yeah, I see 20 pesos. They look like most of them are like 20 to 30 pesos. So I don't know much about the brands of canned fish. This one right here, I heard was okay. This is actually mackerel, so I think tastes a little bit better. This is 32 peso for the small cans, and you could live off these pretty much. These are packed with protein. This and eggs and the chicken spam and maybe the corned beef if you want to spice it up a little bit. They have the 3-pack cans of luncheon meat, but this is pork. I'm not really a fan of pork. I'd rather have chicken, but it's 232 pesos. So this is pretty much the same price as this one right here, the ACE pineapple juice. Pretty much the same price of a local Filipino style shop near me. I think, yeah, it's about the same price as the pineapple juice, as the Paymart, which is the local place near me. So these ceramic cups are dirt cheap, 32 pesos. That's cheaper than the Mr. Do-It-Yourself. I think I paid 63 peso for my ceramic coffee mug. Yeah, so this place is not bad. I got 2 pillows. It was buy one get one free. I got a sheet and 2 pillowcases kit, and then 2 small towels, and they were about, and then also got 2 cans of tuna, and I think that's pretty much it. It came out to 825 pesos altogether for everything. I think the 2 sheets and the pillowcase set, 2 pillowcases and 1 sheet set came out to like 325. And the 2 pillows was pretty cheap. I think it was like 250 or something. But I'd have to check the prices when I go back. Cans of tuna was like 40 or something pesos for the San Marino. But yeah, if you want to get more like the fancier brands, I think those would be like the SNR or something, or Hypermarket. Because this place just had like the basic brands, didn't have like the fancy ones. if you would want fancy corned beef, sardines, or something like that. I didn't find the fancy brands over here. So I think my next place I'm gonna check is the SNR, but not today. That's gonna be for a different video.